Hey everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So I have a little bit of help today. My boyfriend actually has the day off, so we're going to pull the radiator out of the 59 here and get that off to the shop. That's one of the issues. Our radiator was leaking the other day, and obviously rightfully so. This car has sat for so many years. So time to get that yanked out and get it off to the shop. Also, we're going to be trying out some new waxing and buffing pads on the buffer, and I got Meguiar's rubbing compound. So it has a little bit of a cutting agent in it to hopefully get rid of the rest of the wax on this car and maybe bring back a little bit of the shine. Like I said, some areas are kind of toast. You know, the hood is pretty crazed and cracked. I don't care. I love it anyway. But like I said, got the proper tools now. I don't think Flitz has quite enough of the cutting grit power to get through some of the wax that's been left on this car. So I've always loved Meguiar's products. Love the owner of Meguiar's. He rocks. So anyway, thank you for joining the video. Let's get started. Say that was pretty dirty. Yeah, it's like brown.
Yeah.
She's been sitting a while. What do you expect?
I know.